Hey y'all, it's Todd. It's a 2024 Kawasaki Ridge with the inline 4-cylinder motor. I've got it running because I want to kind of show you the motor and show you the air conditioning in this model. Real quiet 4-cylinder motor. Cab. I don't know if you can hear the air conditioning running, but I've got it on high and it sure is nice and cool in here. Power windows. You got toggles for both on this side, and over there on the passenger side you got a toggle there too. Really thought out cab design. Nice quiet interior. Nice bumper, LED lights, them on for you, windshield wiper. Hey, anyways, thank y'all for watching my video. Have a good day.